Hey guys, and welcome back to another video where today we are going to be doing some Google Feud because I finally figured out how to record what's on my screen. So I've also got it on my big screen at this current point because I've kind of got it on both. But yeah, so we're just going to get on with it. So we're going to do culture. Is Taylor Swift. So, is Taylor Swift... I don't know why, but I feel like someone would have searched this. No, they didn't. If you have any ideas, comment down below if you know what they are. Because I don't. So, yeah, I'm gonna... is Taylor Swift married? Married. I think that's how you spell it. Yes. It's Taylor Swift. I'm just gonna search it mainly because I don't know why. Nope, it's not that. Is Taylor Swift the best singer? Personally, I don't think she is. The best singer. Personally, I don't think she is. I don't know who. Dead. Oh, well. In The Giver. I'm Drake dating. Ooh, that's a good one. Married. Single. Country. On Apple Music. On tour. Making a new album. Coming out with a new album. Okay, so I probably wouldn't have got any of those. So I have no idea. We're gonna do questions again. What happens when you mix alcohol and Coke? I don't know why people would search this. Nope. Water? Oop, yep, that's one. Vinegar. Vinegar, that's not how you spell it. I don't think, at least. What happens when you make alcohol and milk? Nope. Weed. Xanax drugs. Codeine. Bleach. Vinegar. I knew vinegar, I just didn't know how to spell it. I'm terrible at spelling. Medicine, pills, Ambien. Personally, I don't know what a lot of those are. So we're just gonna go next round. We're gonna do culture, mainly because who sells the best food? Nope. Who sells the best? I have no idea on this one. Who sells the best? I want to say drugs. I'm bad at spelling, okay? Who sells the best? I'm just gonna put water. It's probably not one, but like, yeah. Leggings, Catom, tires, brace, gas, potato salad, extension, oils, car battery, jeans, mattresses. Ooh. I probably wouldn't have got any of those. We're gonna go culture again. Island of Man. Island of I don't know, so I'm just gonna put some random, because I literally have no idea. Just put water. Island of land. I don't know. I don't know any of these. Love, Farms Case, Betolia, Hope, Palamas, UK Rain, Dolls, Mexico, Island of Glass. Okay. Island of the Blue Dolphins. Ooh. Island of Sky. I wouldn't have got any of those. We're gonna go questions again. What is the address of say Swift? I'm just gonna put Tony Stark. Let's see if Tony. What is the address of I'm gonna put YouTuber Dan TDM. Dan TDM. Nope. The White House. My location. What is the address of my location? The Empire State Building. Earth in the Cosmos. The HGTV Urban Oasis 2016. Okay, I wouldn't have got that one. Where am I? What is the address of where I am? Okay. Wrigley Field? The North Pole. The HGTV Dream Home 2017. Santa Claus. P.S. I don't think Santa Claus exists, but that might just be me. It could exist. I don't know. I don't think so. Comment down below if you think he exists. We're gonna go back to culture. Baseball is hard. It is. Baseball is good. I don't find it good, but like, nope. I'm stuck. Baseball is bad. I agree with that. Baseball is the most popular sport in America. America's most popular sport. Baseball is a game of what? Baseball is played in, well, that's America. Baseball is America. No, it's not. It may have been made in America, but it's not. Made of. Baseball is made of what? I actually want to know that. I'm going to click and see where it brings me, because I want to know what baseball is made of. Horse hide and cow hide. I'm taking that as leather. So, yep. Baseball is the perfect game. Nope. That's a lie for me. Well, at least. American. Also true. Baseball is American. That is true. I think. Should I start a YouTube channel? No. Oh, no. Nobody searched that. I'm surprised. quick thing. I'm uploading this on my normal channel, but now I've actually got a completely separate channel for Fortnite videos. So if you want to check that out, it might be a link in the description. Depends if I can figure out how to put a link in the description, or it's just called Hidden Killer Fortnite. If it's not in the description, again, sorry if it's not. So yeah, anyway, back to Google Feud. Should I start a relationship? Relation. Sorry, my spelling's really bad. That might be one, but my spelling's bad. Should I start going to the gym? Going to the gym? Should I start Todd Gurley? A blog? Ooh. Cam Newton. I don't know what these are. Playing? Wow. Taylor Gabriel. Should I start Taylor Gabriel? A business. Spencer Ward. What? Davant Adams. Russell Wilson. Ty Montgomery. These don't make sense. Should I start Okay, so I have no idea why these are on, because they do not make sense to me. It makes sense to you, but not to me. Wrestling is hard, because it is, trust me, I've done it. You get wrecked. Wrestling is bad. Nope. Is good. Nope. Wrestling is dangerous. Danger. That's 3, no. Dangerous. It's not how you say it. Spell it. An art. Wrestling is an art. Is fake. Wrestling is fake. Fun. Real. Wrestling is best. Real or not. A sport. It. Real or acting. Wrestling is it. Real or acting. Hard, which I got. Promotion and promotions. Wrestling is promotions. I don't get that one either. So I'm actually gonna do this one, and then we're gonna wrap up this video. Sitcom about life. Thoughts. Good. I don't know what sitcom means, so I can't really answer this. Aliens, a waitress, Hitler, alien abduction, Alaska, Brook store owner, the 80s, scientists, Haven, radio station. Okay, so we're gonna end the video here. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below what videos you'd like to see me do, because I'll literally do anything. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Have a great time, and yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!